Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's another quick video. We got another mod for the BMW M3, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what it is. I'm not gonna install this one either. This one's gonna be installed at the shop, so let's take a look at what it is. We got little Megan exhaust components. Let's cut it open here, see what it is. See what we got. Yes. Yes. Anything else in there? Oh yeah, a bunch of things in there. Let's get all that out. Yeah. Got some gaskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got 2 of these here. And we got some headers. Got a Megan Racing sticker. I'm assuming this is, I don't know, something. So let's cut these open. Take a look at these. There we go. Get the other one open. Take a look. Yes sir. That is welded on there. You can see that's welded on. This one is just loose. I'm guessing that's the way it's supposed to be. I don't know. Interesting. I have to take a look at that. So this is what we got. The Megan Racing headers. We'll have these installed and see how it sounds. That's all for today's video. Like I said, it's just a quick video of an update on some of the parts that we're getting in. We're going to install these, and I'll put some exhaust notes, some clips of the exhaust with the headers and without the headers, so you guys can see the difference. Alright, that's all. Have a good day. Take care. See you in the next video.